My name is Sal December. It's pronounced like the month. Vice President of Engineering, Safety Director for Gernatt Asphalt Products. To give you a little history of Gernatt, 1955, Dan Gernatt Sr. is approached by some people that suggest that he use some of the gravel that's here at the bank in Collin. And from there on, we started really building different gravel plants around the area. And in doing this, we started fabricating a lot of our own equipment, and there's a lot of intricate pieces that needed to be cut. And we had an old table that we decided was not going to do the trick. So we ended up buying our smaller table, which was 5 by 10, and we were using that for quite some time. Found out that, boy, this works really slick. And someone said, hey, you do a lot of countersinking. We have a head that can countersink, and that's what we needed to do because we were trying to countersink drilling it, and it was eating up a lot of bits, taking a lot of time. So that's when we decided that we would go to this machine here, your machine. In doing that, we decided, well, we wanted to be able to go with larger plate sizes, so we put 8 by 24s on here, and we're doing quite well with it. It's a beautiful machine, and the guys are learning it. They're learning hands-on right here. It's really worked out well that your guys could come down here and help out with the setup, and if there's any questions, you know, the phone call was right there, and did a lot of wonderful communication back and forth. But no, it's been working quite well.